Welcome to FIXBOND. Today we are diagnosing a Panasonic RZ-S50 earbud that is completely unresponsive, no lights, no charging, and zero connectivity. These premium Japanese earbuds are tightly sealed, but with a controlled amount of heat, we can safely pop open the housing. Upon testing, the battery voltage is dropping drastically from 3.1 to 2.8 volts in just a minute, confirming a dead cell. In this video, we'll swap out the faulty battery with a fresh new one and bring this premium earbud back to life. Let's head to the test bench and do it.